Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and thanks for stopping by. Today we're going to be installing some new Kryptonite bump stops. This should go pretty simple. Hopefully it does. I don't know, we'll see. I'm not sure if I'm going to have to cut this off. You can obviously see it's absolutely destroyed. Look at that, it's just coming off like nothing. So hopefully I don't have to cut that off. But until I dive into it, I have no clue. Now I must say, if you guys missed Monday's upload, make sure you guys go ahead and check it out. I will leave that link in the description below. I did the Kryptonite sway bar end link kit. And man, did it improve my ride already. I can honestly say I didn't think that it was gonna improve my ride immediately. I had no clue really what to expect, other than I know it's a faulty part and that it fixes, you know, that bolt rocking type of thing when you go into a turn and your vehicle feels like it's turning with your turn. Got rid of it absolutely immediately. I was very impressed with it. Make sure you guys check that video out. Like I said, make sure you guys go ahead and like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you're already subscribed, hit that bell button so you get those notifications. And let's waste no time and get right into this. And of course, I've got the trusty jack that I got my late grandfather. Here is the bump stop, and it spins on me. So I'm gonna try and use a pry bar here. Channel locks. So here's my old bump stop, and it is absolutely destroyed. I'm actually surprised that the nut came off as easy as it did, to be honest. I really had no clue that the nut was gonna come off that easy. All I had to do was, you could see in the video, I grabbed it with my channies so it would stop spinning on me, and it came right off for me. So in comparison for you guys, we've got a Kryptonite bump stop here. There is the original, pretty terrible. And of course, a nice nylon locking nut. I am an absolute fan of these style nuts. I do believe they're worth the extra cost that you pay for nuts. It really does. No matter what you're doing, if it's an application with vibration, it's definitely worth it. They don't give you any instructions. It doesn't say if you should use any Loctite or anything like that. So I'm just gonna roll with this and get it installed back in. So it's very simple. You get it up in here just like that. So to show you guys in here, I don't know if you can see it. Let's see here. So the bolt obviously goes through where the factory bolt goes in, right? But then you see this little knob here, and that knob goes right in there. And you're gonna have an 11/16. So obviously you can tell it's a very simple job. These are absolutely huge. And it's crazy to think that this is what the original factory style was supposed to look like. Leave it up to Kryptonite though to create a quality product that we can all enjoy. Now I have heard that this improvement, which is a cheap improvement, keep in mind, improves your quality of the suspension and quality of ride. I'm not gonna let you guys know that until the next video. Like I said, I had an absolute night and day difference of the sway bar end links that I am very, very comfortable telling you guys, seriously, go get them. Go buy those, install them. It's a great investment for the cost that it is. And I really hope that I can do the same exact thing with these, because mine are toast and they got to do something, right? So let's go ahead and get the other side done. So I'll go ahead and take that nut off in there. This will probably spin on me, so I'll have to grab my channies and stop it from spinning. Geez, this one's even better. I think it was time. Yeah, it was definitely time. Again, this is a very beyond simple install, and I would highly suggest you guys do it. For the cost, you can't beat it. So obviously there's a massive difference in regards to my current my old lower bump stops and the new ones from Kryptonite. I will give you guys about an update probably next week's uploads on the ride quality if I notice anything. You know, these are supposed to help when you hit those large bumps and it stops the lower control arm from clanking against stuff. That's what it's supposed to help you do, and supposed to, you know, soften that ride a little bit for those scenarios. But like I said, I'll get you that update next week. The more I drive it, the more I'll see it. These sway bar links, you gotta get them. They absolutely changed how I turn with my truck. I was not expect such a quick return on that. That video will be in the link in the description below, along with these bump stops. Those will be in the description below as well. Make sure you guys check them out. I got these from D-Max store, not directly from Kyrptonite. I got these from D-Max store, and I want to say, you know, they did an awesome job. They shipped them out to me, geez, in a week. It was great. You know, I appreciate everything they do for me. They have supported me well here. You know, these products are not from them. Their products are not from Kyrptonite. These products are purchased by myself. You know, products I back and am proud to put on my truck. D-Max store definitely has that stuff for our Duramaxes, as well as Kyrptonite. You can't go wrong with either of those two. That being said, make sure you guys have yourselves a great night. Make sure you guys have yourselves a great weekend here coming up. We'll see you next week, and enjoy this weather.